Shoot. Hey, that's my damn popcorn.
Let it go. L-I-G. Let it go.
You should have L-I-G it when you ate it all. Shoot. No, I don't want to now.
Go ahead.
No, I don't want to. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Megan.
And your boy Drew.
Alright. Woo. Hair in the face. Okay. So, for this reaction, this one came from another family member, Marlo Taylor. So, Marlo. Oh! Before we get into this,
yes.
And sorry for my nails, y'all. Took them off. Anywho,
y'all see on the last vlog, they was already coming off. Just want to point that out there.
Because I broke them.
Go ahead, proceed.
I'm a biscuit. Okay. But now before we get into this reaction and stuff, you guys have been requesting reactions for us to do, and they get lost in the comment world. Yeah. Please make sure that if there is a video that you want us to do a reaction to, leave it, send it to us in an email, which we've listed in the description box. It's on every last one of our videos. Yep. Or shoot it to us in a DM on Instagram, either MeetTheNelsons or mine if you follow me, and or shoot it to us on Facebook.
Well, hey guys, please be sure to give us those big thumbs up, subscribe in,
share this video on all of your social media, however you see fit.
All right, let's get to it. Oh, we didn't even introduce the video. Tell them what we watching, baby.
Oh, I'm sorry. My bad.
My bad.
It is Pebble the swearing parrot tells us how she feels.
What?
I want one.
Oh, I don't know.
Do we need more of this? Is time.
What?
This my off the chain.
Fuck the. He said, "Fuck the army." Fuck this.
We gonna have to get
a Persian whore.
I don't know.
Oh my. I'm done. I'm done. Why ain't Flair? He mad.
Baby, he throwing that.
Oh, it's a she.
She throwing that feather like.
I said, fuck him. And one more time.
Oh.
We gotta run that one more time.
I didn't know that was possible.
Fuck water. Fuck safe.
What?
Fucking trick. Who talked about this?
I don't know, but it's hilarious.
Hey.
Oh, I don't know.
You that fucking hang here?
Oh.
Baby, I want one.
No, you don't.
Yes.
No.
No, I gotta look. What kind of bird is
It's
this?
a parrot.
Yes, I need to look it up.
Oh.
She pissed
I don't know.
off. What the fuck? Is that your actual?
I can't even believe you.
You fucked up your logic. And then one more time. Oh my god. Y'all can't say nothing about us cussing no more.
This bird just out there for one session. One obsession.
God dang!
I want that bird.
You want it for what?
To see what other cuss words it can learn.
It learns whatever you teach it.
I know. So who's around the house telling this bird all them curse words? I didn't know, honestly.
So you want a bird to cuss?
Yeah, that one doing it. And
That
we're
one
watching it.
Yeah, but it ain't in our house. All right,
Oh,
your
never mind.
your
That
mama,
ain't
somebody
gonna
come in
last
here.
Misty.
Misty goes, all right, Misty gonna eat chicken.
You right pulling with my mom.
Yeah.
I don't need that bird.
No, you don't need that.
that
Your mama
bird.
come up in here.
She be
No.
like, what's going on with that? No, he
She
gonna have
like,
to
that
go.
bird is possessed.
That's what she be over there praying over there.
Yes.
Man, that was funny. Okay.
That shit was funny though.
All right, guys.
I ain't gonna lie.
Please be sure to give us those big thumbs up, subscribe in.
Share this video on all of your social media, however you see fit.
All right, guys. Later. Have a good one. Peace.
Bye.
Hey family, thanks for watching.
Please be sure to follow us on
won't let
Facebook,
me be
Twitter,
great.
and Instagram.
Also, check out our latest video and be sure to subscribe.
Bye,
Bye guys.